Top focus. With the NDA all set to form the government in India for the historic third consecutive time, PM-elect Narendra Modi called the bloc the most successful. PM-elect Modi attacked the opposition during the NDA parliamentary meet. Modi said that NDA was not a group of parties that have come together for power, but an organic alliance committed to the principle of nation first. Listen in.
NDA को करीब-करीब 3 दशक हो चुके हैं। यानी आजादी के 75 साल में 3 दशक एनडीए ये सामान्य घटना नहीं है जी। विविधता से भरे हुए अपनी लोकतांत्रिक और सामाजिक रचना के बीच में ये 3 दशक की यात्रा एक बहुत बड़ी मजबूती का संदेश देती है। और मैं आज बड़े गर्व के साथ कहता हूं कि किसी एक समय वो था कि संगठन के कार्यकर्ता के रूप में इस अलायंस का हिस्सा था, व्यवस्थाओं से जुड़ा रहता था और आज सदन में बैठ करके आपके साथ काम करते करते मेरा भी नाता इससे 30 साल का रहा है और मैं कह सकता हूं, हकीकतों के तथ्यों के आधार पर कह सकता हूं, ये सबसे सफल अलायंस है।
During the parliamentary meet, Rajnath Singh formally proposed the name of Narendra Modi as the leader of the National Democratic Alliance. Singh said that Modi's name was the most suitable for the prime ministerial post.
संसदीय दल के नेता व एनडीए संसदीय दल के नेता
Today we are here to select the leader of the BJP Parliamentary Party, leader of the NDA Parliamentary Party and leader of the Lok Sabha. And I believe that Prime Minister Narendra Modi's name is the most suitable for all these posts.
Addressing the bloc, Amit Shah supported Rajnath Singh's proposal, adding that 140 crore people of India wanted to see Narendra Modi lead the country for the next 5 years.
देश के रक्षा मंत्री जी ने
I support the proposal put forth by the Defence Minister. This proposal is not only the desire of the people sitting here, this is the proposal of 140 crore people in the country.
श्रीमान नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नाम का प्रस्ताव रखा है, इसका मैं मन से समर्थन करता हूं।
TDP's N. Chandrababu Naidu, JDU's Nitish Kumar also endorsed Modi as Prime Minister in his address. Modi thanked the alliance partners for unanimously choosing him as the leader of the NDA.
साथियों, मेरा बहुत सौभाग्य है कि एनडीए के नेता के रूप में आप सब साथियों ने सर्वसम्मति से चुन करके मुझे एक नया दायित्व दिया है।
After the meeting, Prime Minister Narendra Modi reached the houses of veteran BJP leaders LK Advani and Murli Manohar Joshi and met with them before staking claim to form the third consecutive government at the centre. N. Chandrababu Naidu and Nitish Kumar will join Prime Minister Narendra Modi in a meeting with President Draupadi Murmu. Modi will stake claim to form the government, presenting the list of parliamentarians supporting him. Modi will take oath as Prime Minister for the historic third consecutive time on Sunday. For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.